Hello, I'm Dr. Nimish Shah. I'm a consultant pulmonologist at the Jaswant Hospital and Research Center. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to keep your house asthma safe and friendly. So the common triggers that we find at home, which tend to trigger asthma, are dust mites, mold in the house, um, animal dander and fur, and last but not the least, and most importantly, is odors. Odors such as perfumes, mosquito coils, mosquito repellents, dhoop, agarbatti, etc. So let's first talk through what is asthma. So asthma is basically when you have highly reactive airways, or basically your airways are sensitized than what normal people have. And 80% of what asthma that we see is allergic asthma. The commonest trigger in Mumbai especially is what we see is the dust mites. So these are particles and mites which are found on upholsteries, bed sheets, pillows, basically all sorts of bed linen, and also when you have dust settled on your shelves, in your drawers, etc. So to minimize exposure, one must make sure that bed linen is washed regularly. There's enough heat that these surfaces have. If you have cotton upholsteries of sofas, then they must be vacuumed at on a regular basis. And if you have carpets, they must also be vacuumed. Mold is another common trigger for aggravating asthma, and this is basically when you have damp or any leakage where you have fungus or mold accumulating there. So one must get rid of it to make sure that it doesn't trigger your asthma. Thirdly, animals. So if you have animals at home, you may not necessarily be allergic to them, but if you have exposure and you feel that your asthma is worsened, then try and minimize exposure, or if possible, stay away. Or if you can move the animal to another home, that would be preferable. So the commonest allergens found in animals is dander and fur, and this must be cleaned regularly. Lastly is what I touched on to begin with is incense sticks, dhoops, mosquito coils, repellents. So all of these emit odors, and these odors can trigger off asthma. So if you must use mosquito coils and repellents, please make sure that in the daytime especially your room is well ventilated and well lit, because remnants of these odors does tend to aggravate asthma and causes problems in the longer run. Thank you.